Here's 3 pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The rule's in millimetres and the material's been wetted. The white that you can see on some of the pieces there is the reflection from the lights. First piece, it's matrix sort of material, so you might take a slice off the top if you want to keep that as a little stone. But you can see there's some bright eyes, and there's a line there. Whether they cut into more sort of like pockets of opal, I don't know, but it's a bit of a gamble. But that you can see that the camera's picking up the flash from that one that's just under the surface. That's part of that one, I think. There's a green blue right on the edge. Anyway, that's that one. This one, nice red fire on the side there. Whether some of that scale polishes off, but I don't know if it will. There's nothing much else in that piece. This piece has been dremeled, so end up with a stone up here perhaps, and another little small stone on the end there. As you can see, there's nothing else in it. It's been priced on what I can see there. Hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.